Welcome to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest in technology to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the Ikier K1 Pro Max 48W, a laser cutter and engraver that promises versatility and power. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Ikier K1 Pro Max 48W is not your average laser engraver. It boasts a robust 48W power output, capable of slicing through materials like acrylic with ease. Designed with an open frame concept, it merges power, precision, and speed typically found in premium enclosed systems. One standout feature is its dual power option, allowing seamless toggling between 24W for detailed engraving and 48W for high-speed cutting. This versatility is complemented by an array of accessories, from air blowers to rotary tools, catering to various user needs and material types. During our tests, the Ikier K1 Pro Max impressed with its cutting-edge features. The motorized Z-axis and autofocus systems streamline operations, ensuring consistent depth and precise results across different materials. Whether you're engraving intricate designs or making deep cuts, this machine delivers. The setup, while straightforward, requires initial assembly and adjustment. Its industrial design might not appeal to everyone, but the solid build quality compensates, minimizing alignment issues common in open-frame designs. Additional safety features like flame detection and child locks enhance usability. In conclusion, the Ikier K1 Pro Max 48W is tailored for enthusiasts and professionals seeking top-tier performance. Its power and flexibility come at a price, making it more suitable for experienced users willing to invest in a capable machine. For newcomers, simpler, fully enclosed options might be more suitable. That wraps up our deep dive into the Ikier K1 Pro Max 48W. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful product critiques. Until next time, stay curious and informed. Thanks for watching.